Welcome to Baking Relish, where we learn all matters baking. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the dusting technique. You must dust your pan before pouring in the batter. And there's a better way to do it in such a way that your cake does not stick to the pan after it is done. Now, what do you need? You need your baking tray. If you do not have a baking tray, do not worry. Use your pot or your sufuria. You also need some flour and margarine. What do you need to do? If your hands are clean, you can use bare hands, but I prefer using a serviette. So first, I need to clean my baking tray. After cleaning, I take another clean serviette and apply some bit of margarine. You apply your margarine evenly. Make sure every part of your pan has the margarine. You can add some bit here. After applying your margarine, you can place your butter, or better still, use some flour. Put some flour and then do like this. Make sure every bit has the flour. And that's it. That's how you dust your pan. Now it's ready. It's ready for you to pour in the batter. See you next time.